Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is going to be a really short, under 2 minute video. And you may be wondering what we're looking at here. A couple of Rockford Fosgate distribution blocks and a fuse holder. Three 6-foot Rockford Fosgate twisted pair RCAs. And two 18-foot, I think they were. Rockford Fosgate twisted pair RCAs. There was a third, but somehow when I was taking everything out of the car, when I went to snip a wire tie, I snipped the RCA, so we're not going to do anything with that. Damn, this is sad. I'm kind of trying to drag this video out a little bit longer, because guess what we're doing? Some of y'all probably already guessed. It's a giveaway. So, what we need here is, I'm going to keep this video, probably ramble on here for another minute, where's a minute, and you guys just tell me why you want them, why you need them, why should I give them to you? Leave a comment, let me know why I should give this to you, or if you know somebody that needs these items and they cannot afford them, let me know, something like that. So, we could actually probably do a surprise giveaway, like, if you got a friend on Facebook or something like that, and, they might need these things, but can't afford to get them or whatnot, just say, hey, Robert, go check this guy out right here and touch base with him. You know what? That'd be cool right there, actually. Do something like that. Or, like I said, just simply tell me why you need them. You can't afford them? Just be like, hey, man, I'm on a budget and I need this stuff. Send it my way. And today's Monday and I'm getting ready to head back out on the road tomorrow. So, you guys know I work like I'm out on the road like 2 or 3 weeks at a time. So, I don't even know what the hell the day is. The day's what? The 15th, I think? Yeah, today's the 15th. So, let's just run this out July the 1st. And, yeah, I'll be home back then. And we'll get the stuff shipped out to ever who, quite frankly, I think's the winner. And we got some other stuff that we're going to be giving away. Some other leftovers. And I'll give a hint at some of that right there. So alright guys, actually I ended up rambling on longer than I thought I did, so we're just gonna sit here and stir this for a couple more minutes. It's not minutes, couple of seconds here. 3 minutes. Oh yeah, I want 80% viewership on this video. Hit a like every time y'all watch it. See y'all.